I'm pairing fruit with fish to make this tasty dish. Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. Mango and prawns are a perfect match, their flavours complementing each other beautifully. Grilled together on a skewer, this summer treat hits all the flavour notes and is sure to impress. And I'm serving these skewers on a bed of quinoa. So it's over to the kitchen and let's get prepping. You know, I've never had this stuff, but I guess it's a bit like couscous, which on its own has very little flavour. Wait and see what I'm going to do with it. Well, I'm making it up as per the pack instructions. If my Weber Q had a side burner, this would be done outdoors. Empty the contents into the pan. Add 390 ml of water. It's a bit precise. The scale on the jug shows only 350 and 400 ml. Bring to the boil, simmer for 6 minutes, turn off the heat, stir and keep covered for 20 minutes. I'm leaving that little job to the lady of the house while I get on with the important stuff outdoors. It's a lovely day today. The temperature's in the 30s. Perfect barbecue weather. I'm snipping a few herbs, which I'll be using later. Fire up the Weber Q. Both burners on, and we have liftoff. Let it get nice and hot. Okay, for the mango, cut the 2 cheeks from the stone. You need to get as close to the stone as possible. Can you see the juice dripping as I cut? This is going to be amazing. Now make slices into the flesh, being careful not to cut all the way through. Turn inside out and then cut the chunks from the skin. This fruit is so soft and juicy, I can't wait to get it on the grill. Thread onto the skewers, alternating between a prawn and a mango chunk. These Weber 2-prong skewers are brilliant. Turn the skewer and everything turns with it. So many times I've turned a single skewer and whatever is on it stays exactly where it is. Take extra care as the skewers are very sharp. That's it. The skewers are loaded and ready to cook. I'm using this Lumberjaxe tangy moonshine mango sauce to coat the skewers as they cook, keeping everything moist. This is a really good product. It has a subtle tangy flavour which isn't overpowering, but you know it's there. I was quite surprised to learn that it's made by 2 brothers here in the Black Country, just a couple of miles from where I live. To make a sauce as good as this, these 2 must know a thing or two about flavour. Guys, as you're just around the corner, why don't you pop round and we'll cook together. All you got to do is bring a bottle. My Weber Q's really hot now. I'm using this roasting rack, laying the skewers across the top of it. They're high off the grill so no sticking. And where they're sitting, it's hot. They're cooking nicely, so I'm brushing them with moonshine mango sauce to keep them moist. I wish you could smell this. It is amazing. Okay, the quinoa has arrived from the kitchen. I'll just fluff it up with a fork. Add some roasted red pepper and mix it in. A good handful of herbs which I snipped earlier. A few bits of mango cut from the stone. And a glug of mango sauce. Stir it all in. I think I'll add another glug. That should put a bit of zing into the quinoa. Here's the perfect bed for my skewers. And talking of skewers, they're done. As these skewers lie there, the smell is incredible. I can't wait to get stuck in. If you're curious about this video or want to learn more about cooking on a Weber Q, then all you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell and leave your comment or question in the community box below. Now let's dive into deliciousness. You could serve one as a starter or two as a main. This is where it all goes wrong. The lead prawn refuses to move. I've squashed a mango chunk and it still won't have it. Gotcha! And now it all slides off very easily. The contrast is delightful. The firm, meaty texture of the prawns balanced perfectly by the soft, juicy mango. It is an explosion of summer in every mouthful. The prawns are succulent and juicy. The sweetness of the mango bursts forth, adding a subtle depth to a tropical flavour. I have to say, those skewers were most enjoyable. If you've enjoyed the video, then give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, sub the channel. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the barbecue walk of flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.